everyone, Hedger or Hendrika here, depending how you like to call me, Principal Horticulturist of Plant Visions, and I'm here to present to you a review of the HSA 25 battery handheld pruner. So the reason why I invested in this is because for small hedges such as this, each time I get some jobs, if I use the big HS45, it's heavy, it's clumsy, it's loud, very loud, and if I can make the job easier, why not? And I want to give my customers a more refined look as always, so therefore I invest in the right tool. So with the HSA 25, this is for the grass pruning, and this is for hedging. So all you need to do is to take this out, press here, okay, it's got gears, alright, and take this and then put it back in again, and it will do this. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you the difference, okay, between using a handheld HSA 25 to a HS45. So let's get to it. As you can see, it's very quiet. And I can get to very tight spaces very easily. It's highly maneuverable. There you go, job done. This lasts about 2 hours, the battery life from fully charged, and yeah, it's a great handle thing, super quiet compared to the very loud HS45. So now I'm going to give you a closer look with one hand carrying the camera, again one hand working with this. So let's see how we go. So I'm going to be working on this hedge. This is the hedge that is just done. Just take a walk around and show you how nice and neat and pretty tidy, okay, this little thing is capable of. So let's start. Alright, and yep, let's go. So this thing, as you can see, has a safety button. If I just press one, doesn't work. I just press the other one, it doesn't work. So I need to press this, the safety switch, and this to work together. I wish there was a whole button, but I guess safety comes first. So pretty much all done in a matter of minutes. You can see this one and this one. Alright, and I'm gonna do gas on this one so you can see the difference, and let's go. take a closer look at the one that I used the HS45 with. Okay, and now we're going to do a comparison. This is HS45, HSA25, and HSA25. Which do you feel is a better cut? Do you feel that the HS45 is good, or the other two using the battery HSA25 is good? Comment down below, love to hear from you. And yeah, if you ask me personally, I prefer to use the battery, because sometimes when you do a job that's really long, it's kind of tiring, and it's great to have a break to do something lighter. So not just stop there. I find that the HS45, the cut is really rough. Okay, you can see the top. I find it, see, because the blade's so flat, right? So even though I curve it, I tend to get, you know, really odd shape. It's not nice and round. But whereas with the battery HSA25, I like it round. It's very roundish. It's great for topiary. So, okay, thank you for watching this review and comparison. Like I said, you know, comment below which do you prefer. You prefer the HS45 or small hedges, or the battery HS25. You can get them at your local Stihl shop. And yeah, I want to give a big shout out to my local Stihl guys at Geebung in Brisbane for looking after me really well, and getting all the parts that I need, and putting out with all my craziness. And yeah, you know, watch the rest of my videos, subscribe. It really helps me to be able to get more equipment, better equipment, to make tutorials, and of course eating video. Yes, I love to eat. That's why. Okay, I'm going to sign off now, and thank you for watching Garden to Eat.